Alright, we're out geocaching today. It's not too bad of weather, wind-wise. So this is our first one, and we both need this one. She buzzed. She says, does she say I spy though? Does she say I spy? I have one. Oh, I need my walking stick, don't I?
Yeah.
What's the first thing you take with you geocaching? Your camera? No. Your walking stick. Because you might need it to get something out of the ground. Alright, I'm going to see if we can find this one. I'll be back. Alright, there it is. I just kicked that rock off of it. It's a little bitty Altoids tin.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
Look, this is still taking me back to the tree. I'm thinking somebody replanted.
Alright, this is the truck camper adventure meetup. And there is a lot of truck campers. I'm gonna have to at least drive through there. Lots of truck campers. Okay, the hint, or no, the name of it's 2 cactus and a tree. So, is it that one way up there, or this
We're 168 feet.
Because that's only 1 cactus and a tree. Is that 2 cactus and a tree?
Maybe, I don't know.
Found it?
I spy.
She says I spy. So there's the 2 cactus and a tree. Oh, well, yeah, that's obvious, huh?
There you go.
There you go.
I found it, and then I'll fill this.
Yeah, that's pretty obvious.
Yeah, it's like, that doesn't look natural.
No. Well, it is a dead tree, so.
Yeah, how much longer is it going to be there?
Yeah, all the bark's falling off. We have a tree like that at the North 40 where the bark's falling off. It's dead now.
Seriously? Why didn't that take this time? I can get us on here, but we still need one in there.
So when you go geocaching, the logs get full, so
No, we still need one. Can't ride on these.
we need a new log. And this is special because Lola, lost on land again, made this bag for me and put all the supplies you need in there, and I've just been adding to it when, let me open it. Adding to it if I find something. Oh, these hands, little tiny hands, I put those in there, and the duck. So if we ever find a big one, I can leave something. But most of them around here are just a log. So let's see. Oh, and I got Joan rocks to put in there. There's a pin. Oh, I bet this is... No, I think I found this one. I did. I found this tag at Cocoa Fest at City of Rocks. Let me see if I have
A paper?
a paper. Oh, look. Here's some papers.
Sweet.
All right. Let's put a new... Let's see.
Yeah, this one's full.
See, it's fulled up.
It's pulled up on both sides.
Okay. So what's the geocache etiquette? Do you leave the old one and add a new one?
I do.
Okay.
Then I let the cache owner deal with it.
Okay.
Unless it's wet, then I don't. I go ahead and take it out.
Oh, because it'd make this new one wet, wouldn't it? Okay.
Well, and you get mold and stuff going on.
Of course, that bag I kind of tore. I could have kept that bag, but
Is this just one?
I don't know.
No. So here's that. I have this. Like we said, we leave this for the cache owner to deal with, unless it's wet, and then we remove it.
Okay. So, put all this back. Look at this. Lola put that in there. And this. Christmas one. Erasers. She put this in there. I really have just kept them. But there's tweezers in here. In case you need to pull out the paper. A little airplane. Can't remember where I got that. anyway. Put all that back until next time. I spy.
Yay!
Yeah, you want to be careful.
Yeah, buddy.
Spiders and snakes and
Scorpions.
Oh, you could put a, that's like a spice jar. You could put a rock in there too.
Yeah, you could.
So she's logging her name on the log. There is a lot of truck campers out here. What is it? A casing?
Shotgun casing.
Shotgun shield.
Ta-da!
She says, I spy.
Let me show you what was covering it. Now you got this dark tree limb, and this is what was over it.
Oh,
Like an old sugar.
who am I recording? I was way over your head.
It's alright, they can hear my voice.
Yeah, what?
Alright. Let me see it. I found it. Thanks for. It looked like money coming out of there, didn't it? It looked like old money.
Oh, I bet that log's trash too.
I'm curious when the last person wrote on that. I've got 3.
This is 15.
Wow.
I think you need a new log too.
I'm thinking
We're gonna run out of log sheets.
We're gonna have to cut one in 2. There's another one in here.
Oh, cool.
I'm curious what's in that. My goodness gracious. We got room on this. I can make room.
See,
I wonder what this
that's
is.
the part I don't like of geocaching. By this time, I'd have said, who cares, and put it all back in
Look
there.
at that. You can't read it.
Yeah, I wouldn't sign my name even.
Not on that one I won't. But on this one I will, because there's a gap there.
She found the gap. I had to walk a little ways to get that one. So you want to look for unnatural things when you're geocaching. That's kind of unnatural, isn't it? Yeah. What?
Pause it a minute. You want me to touch it?
Ouch! Is it in the pipe or is it? Oh no, it's not in the pipe. With a white rock. It's another shotgun shell.
Oh, sweet. I lost my
There you
page.
go.